how to generate a profile picture on your profile on your Character AI account. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first I open my Character AI as you can see right now. So next I will just come here and click on the corner of the screen. Next click here on the settings. And right now I will find here my profile. We click on this edit icon, and right now if wanna just use a picture from my gallery or my device, I can just click upload and upload my picture that I want to use. If I want to generate, I have to describe what my profile I want to look like. So just for example, say what you want or write what you want, click generate, and your Character AI, they will generate for you a profile picture of what you like. So that's all guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.